How to use white in your wedding without making it look like a whitewash. 1. Don't overdo it. Sensalia bought war ivory at her wedding that broke. Instagram. White has been all over the wedding season. The most important thing to remember while using white is, don't overdo it. 2. Outfit. Lehengas, saris, jumpsuits, you name it, and they are made in white. We are loving how brides are moving away from typical reds and pinks and saying yes to something unique as white. 3. Floral decor. White roses or stunning white carnations. White florals always have a soft spot in our hearts for their sheer elegance and glamour. Without being too poppy or bright, they are able to make a statement in their own way. 4. Dress code. Pick one event and have all your guests wear white for those picture-perfect photographs. This works really well for bridesmaids or groomsmen, or even your immediate family, so that everyone looks in sync with each other.
ना तुझसे कोई आस ना ही आरज़ू